If your wisdom comes from the streets, you're a Jamaican proverb enthusiast. Let's uncover why these sayings are pure gold. Jamaican proverbs are more than just catchy phrases. They're a treasure trove of cultural heritage and life lessons passed down through generations. Take, for instance, every mickle make a muckle. It means small efforts add up to big results. This simple saying teaches patience and persistence. Another gem is one cocoa full basket, reminding us that slow and steady wins the race. These proverbs not only preserve our rich Jamaican culture, but also offer timeless wisdom for positive living. So, next time you hear a Jamaican proverb, remember you're tapping into a legacy of wisdom that spans centuries. Keep these nuggets close and let them inspire you every day. Catch you later.